Hello everyone, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet. Today we've got how to prepare a Brussels sprout for sauteing, steaming, or cooking otherwise. First, after giving them a good wash, or even before actually, you take the tip, because they're probably going to be slightly cauterized from having cut off the first time, and give it a nice clean bottom. Pull off any of the excess dead leaves that don't look pretty if you don't want them around. This one can stay. Make sure it fits nicely on the final product. There is that. You take one, find the next. Now this one's got a little bit of a neck on it as it goes out, so you might want to cut a little further up this time, and it'll take off a few more leaves, but the ones underneath will definitely be rather suitable for presentation. Now, we've got another one. This one has larger leaves on the bottom, not too long of a neck, but these leaves on the outside do have a bit of damage to them. So we're going to take a mid-level cut after looking for it. One will peel off, and then this one's going to take a little bit of work, but if we do it gently, comes off rather nicely without much of a fuss, leaving us with a better inner leaf, a bit more presentable for when we use it for the actual cooking process. This one here, a little dirty up the sides and around, so even though it doesn't have a long neck, we're going to take a steeper cut. Not too much, mind you, but enough that the less than lovely leaves will actually fall off. This one may stay on because of how it is put within the other leaf on top of it, so we'll leave that. The final one in our example is a leaf that has a bit of damage up the way of the stem into the first of a major leaf that covers the side, and that one has a little bit of damage as well, so we'll cut right through there, take that leaf off, another of the outer leaves, and inside we have an entirely lovely and presentable Brussels sprout. Do it yourself gourmet, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you next time.